Juliet. Juliet! Quick, get the doctor. Hey! Hey, Sleeping Beauty.
What happened?
Well, there was an accident, but there's nothing for you to worry about now.
What James said? Is there something wrong? Am I dying?
No, darling, no. You're fine. You're better than fine. You are my brave, amazing girl. No one's dying today, silly. Not on my watch.
Never had you down as religious.
Oh.
She's okay. Juliet's going to be okay.
Oh. Couldn't be happier. Listen, I'm not very good at this sort of thing, but thank you for everything you've done for Juliet, but also for me.
You're welcome. Let's just pray I never have to do it again.
Oh.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
She's lovely, isn't she?
She is the best. Oh. Now listen, you. I've got something to say. I've always found it really hard to connect. I struggled making friends. When the children were little, I just couldn't bond with them. And yet, I now find myself here and I am surrounded by so much love and, oh, I'm never going to let that go. I'm just never. Which is why I never say au revoir.
Yeah?
Goodbye. I only ever say bientôt.
Bientôt. Very deep.
Yes, well, I am renowned for the profundity of my contemplations. James said this thing earlier about how it was with them when they were little. With Romeo and Juliet, I just feel like I've just been given another chance, and that's because of you, darling. I am so grateful that you came back. It was really very brave and sweetheart. You've made our world complete.
I'm gonna put all this mushy stuff down to shock, yeah.
Now, I'm only gonna say this once, so listen up. I've been here with you. It's the happiest we've ever been. So, here should be me thanking you.
I've done the impossible. I have stunned you into silence. Marnie? Marnie? What is it?
What's wrong?
Oh, help! Help! Oh, somebody! Oh, Marnie!
Code blue, exterior in front of building. Quickly, please. On three. 1, 2, 3.
Mother?
3 are now confirmed dead following the explosion at the Salon de Tay in Hollyoaks village, whilst others remain critically injured. It is not yet known how the fire started.